So welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai fried chicken, or you might know the name by หาดใหญ่ fried chicken, or Thai name ไก่ทอดหาดใหญ่. So today for the chicken, I use leg and thigh, very big pieces because a quarter leg. So have the back here too. So now I'm going to cut them a little bit so all the marinade and the sauce can get into the chicken better. So just gonna give them the cut this and on the back side a little bit too. Okay, put in the big bowl for we can ready for the marinade. Okay, and for the chicken, you can use different parts of chicken. You can use chicken wing, that would be very good too, or you just want a leg or just a thigh. It's all up to you. Okay, now our chicken is done. Now I'm going to set on the side, washing my hand, and be ready to make marinade sauce. It's gonna be easy and simple for the marinade, and I have everything ready. First, I'm going to use 5 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce, the Golden Mountain. You can use any seasoning soy sauce, any brand that you like. It's up to you. I'm going to use 5 tablespoons total. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so now I have 5 tablespoons soy sauce, and next I'm going to add the caraway seed and the coriander seed. 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. Okay, go in. I'm just gonna put everything inside the magic bullet. Alright, and next I have 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and ground white pepper. Okay, 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon. Okay, go in. And next I have 2 teaspoons sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, salt and sugar go in. Okay, and next, of course, garlic. I have 8 clove garlic. Okay, gonna put all the garlic in here. And next, she laughing. And next, I have the cilantro root or cilantro stem if you don't have cilantro root. So I use cilantro stem. It's gonna be about 2 tablespoons if you chop it. Alright, so everything in here, and I'm going to use half a cup of water. So everything will be mixed well together. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything well together. Okay, so now I'm going to blend everything together. Alright, take me a couple minutes to blend everything together. Okay, now I'm going to pour inside the chicken. Alright, see? Okay, and this is all the marinade. Okay, and I'm going to put the grove in because we're gonna have to mix them all together very good. Okay, so all the seasoning in here, and next I'm going to add 1 cup rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you just can use all-purpose flour. Okay, 1 cup rice flour, and now going to have to massage and mix everything well together so every piece of the chicken can cover with the flour and the sauce. Okay, and then we call หาดใหญ่ fried chicken because it come from หาดใหญ่ town in Thailand. The หาดใหญ่is a town in Thailand from the south, and coming from popular from over there with all the herb and very unique recipe. But now you can find it everywhere in Thailand, people doing this recipe because they're so good and they're so easy to make, so everybody can do it everywhere in Thailand right now. But we still call them the หาดใหญ่ fried chicken. Okay, and now you can see all the flour and the sauce mixing well together already with the chicken. Now I'm going to give them a cover, wrap them, or you can put in the Ziploc bag because we have to marinate at least 3 hours. If you have time, you can go longer, but at least 3 hours. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in the refrigerator, and I have my chicken marinade from yesterday for this video today. So this is over the nice marinade. It will be so good. Okay, so now we can continue to the next step. And now we're ready to deep fry our chicken. Okay, I just checked now the oil already hot enough, so I'm going to start putting chicken. Be careful, this is hot. Hold on. They marinate over the night, so they kind of stick all in there. This is a big pieces of chicken, so I think I cannot fit them all 3 pieces inside. I think I only can do 2 pieces at a time. Let's see. 1, let me see, I might can fit another pieces. Maybe no. Okay, so I try to fit 3 pieces in here and then I make it. Actually, because I cut the 3rd pieces, so I cut them half so they can fit all 3 in here. Alright, so now I'm gonna let them fry medium high about 10 minutes and then we come back and check them. So now our chicken be fried for 10 minutes on one side. Now so I'm going to flip to fry the other side for another maybe 7 minutes on the other side. Until everything look golden. Actually this pan is a little bit small for all these 3 pieces of big pieces of chicken. I just have to make it work. Okay, now so I flip to the other side, and I know the pan is a little bit small for this big pieces of chicken, but I make it work. And now I'm going to let them cook for 10 minutes, but I'm going to come back when it's 7 minutes, so to check to make sure they're not getting burned or something. I want to be the perfect golden brown. So okay, we come back and check this again together. Okay, so now being about 7 or 8 minutes, I'm going to come back and check our chicken. Wow, they look golden. Okay, I want to make sure they're all well done. So, okay, wow, this one is ready. Okay, so as you can see the dark golden brown, so I'm gonna put in the cooling rack. 1 pieces right now. Okay, our fried chicken is ready. Look at all this. Look at how they brown, and I'm ready to try this chicken. Okay, so the hạt dày fried chicken, they really have to serve with the fried shallot or fried onion. If you don't have the shallot, you can do the fried onion. Okay, they're very popular to eat like this. And also we have the sweet chili sauce to eat with, and also we have the sticky rice. Okay, so I'm gonna make the plate and we're ready to try it together. Okay, so now I'm ready to try our hạt dày fried chicken. Okay, and look at this, how crispy the skin. I'm just going to start it from here. Whoa, look at this, and they're so moist and they're still so hot. Oh my goodness, I hope I will be fine with it, and I'm gonna dip it with the sweet chili sauce. Don't forget the fried onion or fried shallot. The skin so crispy, and I marinate them over the night, so the meat is so tender, juicy, and all the flavor and all the herbs get inside the meat. I can't stop to eat them all, and I know now the cameraman really want to eat this. So this is really easy to make. I hope you guys like this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.